Welcome to Indian town.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do like a little home goods haul, and just some stuff that I picked up. And some of you guys might know, some of you guys might not know, but I am actually starting my own bridal boutique. It's called Blush Dreams, and unfortunately I am doing it out of my house for right now, so it will be a home boutique, but maybe like in a year or two, to see how things pick up, I will be actually opening my own storefront. So that's the goal. That's where I'm kind of headed down the line to. But I thought that I would just make a video and actually show you guys the process of what I'm doing to kind of decorate my space. Maybe it'll help you guys or inspire you on, you know, opening up your own business, and just let you guys know it can be done. So little background story on my idea that I have going on here. Like I said, I am opening a home bridal boutique. I will be the designer of the gowns, and also I will, you know, be making them myself. So I am basically just taking our third bedroom in our house, and I am turning it into a boutique. The theme that I'm kind of going for is a French vintage kind of style boutique. So the colors that I am actually using are rose gold, blush pink, and also like a white creamy color. Let's get on into this tutorial. So starting off, I actually picked up this speaker, and my husband was looking at me like, what do you need a speaker for? Well, I'm gonna tell you, husband, what I need a speaker for. Actually, this is you know, just to play soft music, to kind of get people relaxed a little bit more and kind of be a little bit more comfortable with, you know, trying on dresses. Especially if it's your first time, it can be a little overwhelming. So I feel like this might be something, you know, to kind of calm the mood. And this was actually $16.99. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And just in case you guys don't get the idea what it is, that's what it actually looks like outside of the box. And next up, I want to have this little sitting area that is, you know, that would be in the boutique, you know, just in case if people want to bring their friends, their family, you know, whatever. But anyway, I want to have like a little sitting area. So I want to have a couch and a accent chair, which my accent chair is actually a blush pink. It's really cute. It's on overstock. I'm gonna have to share that with y'all when I get it. But anyway, I'm really excited for that. But I'm going to have a little blush, maybe blush, or either like a cream white if I can find it, or probably more than likely a rose gold coffee table. So I was thinking, hey, why not have some wedding books to kind of inspire people, to kind of let them see, or maybe, you know, get some ideas of what they're actually looking for, what type of style, and, you know, all that goodness. So I decided that I would put some inspirational pieces on a coffee table. I thought that maybe would be a good idea to kind of, you know, help inspire people about what exactly they really want. You know, because you always have that idea, but you really don't know exactly what you want till you see it, and then it's like, oh, you know, I kind of really don't like that, or I do like that, or whatever the case may be. So anyway, let me stop rambling. I bought a wedding book. I do plan to get some more of these. This one is actually Southern Weddings, so it's just some information, you know, some nice things, some ideas that you can use. But like I said, I do plan on getting some more. So this one's Southern Weddings, and I plan to get some other ones just to kind of inspire you guys, and some reading material for people that you might bring with you while you are trying on dresses, just so they're not just sitting there just waiting. So it kind of gives them something to do. But yeah, hopefully this will be inspirational. And like this actually was $19.99. Next up, I bought some champagne glasses. Hope you guys can see them. And there is actually 4 in here. And these were actually $10. Well, $9.99. So basically $10. But what I'm doing with these is I want to actually have a wine cart in my, you know, by my desk or whatever, you know, as decoration. Of course, it's going to be rose gold. But one of my really good friends is actually really good at making drinks. So she's actually making me 2 signature drinks, which, well, no, technically 4. But it would actually be 2 alcoholic drinks and 2 non-alcoholic drinks. So we will be pleasing everybody. But they're going to be signature drinks, and they're going to be exclusive only to my boutique. So I thought that that was really nice, and I love her for doing that for me. Because if not, I was just honestly going to go get some champagne that was the color that I wanted and call it a day. But she was like, why not take it a step up? And I was like, yeah, girl. Say so. But anyway, like I said, these were $10. So, yeah. Next up, I got some office supplies for my desk. And it is actually some paper clips, some push pins, and some binder clips. And there's 90 pieces in here. There is 50 paper clips, 25 push pins, and 15 binder clips. And this was actually only $5.99, and of course it was rose gold. And I like the fact that it came with its own jars. That was just great, because if not, I would have had to go out and go buy some type of holder for these 3 different things, which would be 3 different holders. So I thought that this was really nice that it came with that. And of course it's in rose gold, so I had to get it. Next up, I have this beautiful throw, and I like the little detail at the bottom, little French, just a little decorative thing. But this is a nice throw. It's like a blush pink color, and I hope that it's showing up really good on camera where you guys can see the actual color. But this is going on my white couch, so well, you guys will see it later. But like I said, I am doing a blush pink chair with a white throw pillow, white fur throw pillow. And then I am also doing a white couch with a blush pink throw. So, yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm sorry you guys, that was $14.99. But it's really soft. Love it. Next up, this has absolutely nothing to do with my boutique, but I freaking love the smell, and I love pumpkin, and I also love vanilla, and this is 2-in-1. So yeah, it's a bar of soap. It was $3.99, and it smells so good. It smells really, really good. It actually smells like pumpkin cheesecake, but it's pumpkin vanilla, but it smells like pumpkin cheesecake. So if you like pumpkin cheesecake, this is good for you. Alright, next up, I have this journal, and this is kind of like, because I always wanted like a journal, because I always have ideas. I might see things while I'm out and I might get inspired. So I bought a journal. Of course, it's rose gold. I couldn't find a pink, well, a blush pink one and rose gold, so I opted for the navy blue and the rose gold. And it's just a regular binder with lined paper, and it just has a travel kind of detail on it. And this was $6.99. But yeah, this is just like to take notes for my boutique. Like if I'm just out and I might think of an idea and I might, you know, kind of want something to write down just so I can reference it later. And I actually bought this set right here. This actually comes with a pencil holder. It comes with scissors, a tape dispenser, a stapler. I'm sorry, I couldn't even remember what that. Slow moment. Sorry. 2 pens and 3 binder clips. And it, like I said, it's in the rose gold color. And I just thought that this was just super cute. And I was like, I have to have this on my desk. So, you know. But last but not least is my most favorite item out of everything that I got. But it's my favorite. It's pretty and it's my favorite. But it's a little heavy. It is actually this display stand. Well, this is what I'm gonna use it for, is a display stand, and it's sparkly and glittery. It's the best. It's pretty. So I feel like this would be really nice to display different products that I am trying to, you know, show. So yeah, and at the bottom it just has just the, I guess it would be called a Lazy Susan. I don't know, but I'm probably wrong. Don't quote me if I'm wrong. I mean, so yeah, but this was actually $50. I did think that this was a little expensive for it, but I was like, hey, why not? This is great. Why don't you just get it? So that's exactly what I did. I just got it. And these are just like little crystals, I guess, that they glued onto the edge. Next up, we have these 2 panel curtains. They're actually velvet. They're cream color and they are really, really soft. These go from the ceiling to the floor. So, and these were $30. These are in DKNY, but they are so freaking soft. They're just pretty. They're just pretty. Also bought another notebook. This is just, it's blush pink and it's rose gold. So it just says notes, and it has the lined paper once again inside of it. And this was $3.99. I like the geometric pattern on it, but it was really pretty. I might switch this out for the blue one, but we'll see. And then I also got this blush pink rose gold notebook. It's really, really pretty, and I don't know if you guys can see the metallic, how it's spelled out, but it's just a planner. This is actually a planner, so it's a 2019 planner, and yeah, it's actually really nice, good quality. And this one was $10.99. So yeah, it's a 13-month planner, and I was like, I think I'm just gonna leave this on my desk just because it matches, just to sit there, because that's the kind of stuff I do. So so you guys, this is the end of my HomeGoods haul, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired somebody out there that if you want to open your own boutique, you can too. And yeah, I will be uploading a lot more videos in regards to my journey that I'm gonna be going through with my boutique. And so I'm gonna show you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, everything that you can think of. And my husband will be featured in a lot of this series because he will be remodeling that room back there. And yeah, my son will be running back and forth like he always is. But yeah, don't remember to like this video, subscribe, and I want to know your feedback. I want to know how you guys, what you guys thought about it, how you guys liked it, what you guys think I should do less of, more of. You know, just let me know, and let me know what you guys would like to see. I'm always open to new video ideas. So hope to see you guys soon. Bye.